Hi everyone! In this short video, one of our affiliated locksmiths is going to show you how he's coding a new Hyundai Sonata key fob. This is how it's actually done on site in case you lost all your keys or just want to have a spare set. This is a necessary procedure that requires a special machine for all key fobs and transponder keys. Before we start, we would really appreciate if you can like this video, and of course if you need any help you can contact us 24/7 and we will connect you with a locksmith near you.
Alright guys, we are working on a 2015 Hyundai Sonata. It's a smart key. This is going to be our programmer that programs the key in. We have to program it using the OBD port of the car. As you can see, some cars will identify the OBD location, which is that right there. That's the OBD port that connects to your vehicle's computer, so the locksmith is able to talk to the car's computer and get the key programmed. All right, so we're going to follow the instructions of the machine and get this key programmed and get this customer going. Have a great day.
That's it. I hope you like this video and would really appreciate if you can give us the thumbs up, and thanks a lot for watching.